In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make link for Google Meet. We'll walk through 3 simple ways to generate a Meet link, depending on whether you want a link for later, an instant meeting, or a scheduled event in Google Calendar. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google Meet landing page. If you're not signed in, sign in with your Google account so you can access all the options. On the main page, look for the New Meeting button. Click it, and you'll see a few choices. If you want a link you can share and use later, choose Create a Meeting for Later. Google will immediately generate a unique Meet link for you. You'll see it on screen along with a quick option to copy it. Click the Copy option and paste it wherever you need, email, chat, or a document. This link is perfect for meetings you're planning to start at a later time, and it's ready to share right away. If you prefer to start a meeting right now and also need the link, click New Meeting again and select Start an Instant Meeting. Your meeting window will open, and a small panel will say, Your meeting's ready. In that panel, you'll see the meeting link. Copy it and send it to anyone you want to invite. If you close that panel, don't worry. You can retrieve the link at any time during the meeting by clicking Meeting Details in the bottom bar. The Meeting Details pane shows the same link, ready to copy again. This is helpful if more people need to join after the meeting has already begun. If you're scheduling a meeting for a specific time and want the link included in a calendar invite, go back to the Google Meet landing page, click New Meeting, and choose Schedule in Google Calendar. A new event opens in Google Calendar with a Google Meet video conferencing link automatically added. Below the Join with Google Meet section, you'll see the link you can share. Add your event title, date, time, and guests, and save. Your invitees will receive the event with the Meet link built in, which keeps everything organized and easy to access. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Share your link only with people you want in the meeting and be ready to admit participants from the waiting room if prompted. If someone can't join, confirm they're using the same Google account they were invited with. That's it. You now know how to create a Google Meet link for later, for an instant meeting, and for a scheduled event.